So how to wire a direct online starter system. I'll just start with the power side. This is 3-phase power coming in, brown, black, grey, through a 3-pole breaker. Comes out the bottom of the breaker, down to his contactor, going into L1, L2, L3, through his overload, and out of his overload at the bottom, brown, black, grey, and that's going out to your motor. So the control circuit is a 24-volt DC control circuit. So this orange wire here, that's his power coming in. It's 24-volt DC. And that blue wire there is a 0-volt, which I've taken straight to the A2 terminal, which is for your coil on your contactor. So the 24-volt coming into the overload here goes into a normally closed contact. It goes through that normally closed contact, out, up to a normally closed contact on your stop button, out the top of your stop button, it wraps around and it goes to a normally open contact on your start button. Out your start button, it wraps around and goes to the A1 terminal, which is your coil on your contactor. So as soon as we close this start button, press start, it's going to energise the coil and latch in the contactor. Okay. The only way to drop it out, if we press stop button, it's going to drop the contactor out. Or if the overload overloads, it's going to trip it and it's also going to drop the contactor out. Okay, so this is a latching circuit system. If you don't want to wire it as a latching circuit system, we'd have to remove this wire here and this wire here, which I'll explain now. So how it latches, I've taken another wire out the top of the stop button, this one here. This comes round to a normally open contact on your contactor, and then out the here, it goes round to A1, your coil. So when you press start, it pulls in your contactor, which closes this normally open channel, which latches the contactor in. So if we remove this wire, just for this example, it's no longer a latching circuit. So if I press start, the contact's pulled in. As soon as I let go of the start button, it's going to drop back out. But this example, I'll put it back in because this was for a latching circuit. Okay, so it all depends on what your application is, if you want your circuit to latch in or not. So that's how you wire a direct online starter circuit. If you want to know more information and a bit more in depth on this, I've done another video talking through an electrical diagram of how this control circuit works. Okay, I'll put a link of that video below. But if you do watch it, just bear in mind that the control circuit on that, it's 230 volt AC, it's not 24 volt DC like this, but it's the exact same principle on how it works. Okay, so if you've got any questions, drop in the comments and I'll answer them, and thank you for watching.